Hello guys, welcome back. So, if you're trying to connect a Dell laptop to a Lenovo ThinkPad docking station, you might be wondering whether different brands will actually work together. The good news is that many modern docking stations are designed to be compatible across devices, especially when they use standard connections like USB-C or Thunderbolt. However, the setup still needs to be done correctly because compatibility can depend on ports, drivers, and system support. If something isn't connected properly, you may face issues like displays not showing or accessories not being detected. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to connect your Dell laptop to a Lenovo ThinkPad docking station successfully. Try these. Step 1. Connect the Lenovo docking station to a power source and turn it on. Step 2. Plug the USB-C or docking cable into your Dell laptop. Step 3. Wait for the laptop to detect the docking station automatically. Step 4. Connect monitors and other devices to the docking station. Step 5. Open system settings to confirm devices are recognized. Step 6. Test all connected devices to ensure everything is working properly.